Well, today I'm going to change the power window motor in the 86 Cutlass, not the project car, the one that's complete, and see if I can get this thing going. It's been sitting here pretty well all winter. I found an old battery. Not sure if I can hit anything here. I found an old battery sitting in the basement. Excuse me, I gotta get in here. I found an old battery sitting in the basement. I doubt it's any good. I think it was out of the Avalanche. The manufacturer date said 6 months of 09. But I have lights. Actually, I have quite a bit of lights. I'm gonna shut off all the power draining equipment here and see if I get any action out of it. Charge light is tweaking a little bit. I think the battery cables are a little loose. I don't know why it's doing that. Well, it's about -6 out here, but my plan is to bring the car into the shop and actually change that power window motor. This one here never worked. So I ordered one from Rock Auto back in November, or actually I think it was even before that. There's lots of lights here. I don't understand. Give it a minute yet. I don't know why the charge light is doing that. It's really odd. And look at that. Huh. Sometimes you just bucking a little bit. Sometimes you just need to give things a minute for it to think about it. She's bucking pretty good, but you know, it's been sitting for a long time. Let's see what we got. That actually started very well. Yeah, is it ever bucking? Well, she's bucking pretty good, but it's running. Here comes the head mechanic to give me trouble. You're giving me trouble there, Joey? It's too cold to be out here.
Runs pretty good to start like that.
Yeah, it's been sitting for a mighty long time, but she's chucking a little bit.
You didn't even rev it hardly.
No. One pump of the accelerator and away it went.
Well done.
Yeah. Alright, so she's been running here for a little while. That's just very small blocking, so I don't have to worry about bottoming out or anything. I disconnected the battery. The alternator should keep it going for now. I imagine it'll be dead once I shut it off, but it's just one of those things. I'm going to try and let this thing down easy. First of all, I'm going to try and get in it. Okay. Brake light is on. Oh yeah, I got the park brake on, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to kick it down. Oh, maybe it doesn't want to go down yet. Alright. So I'll release the park brake. She's a little stiff. Probably should have let it run for a while. Hopefully nothing bad happens. A little bit of movement. Oh, what am I stuck on? Must be a little bit of ice back there. Might have to rock my way out. Oh, there's a little bit of ice under me, so this might take a sec. There we go. Just lickety split. Oh, I'm free. Huh. No problem. All right. So I'll just move it over to the door. I'm gonna try and defrost the car as best I can before I bring it in the garage. If I can melt as much snow as I can, then that saves a big mess on the floor. So I'll shift her over to hot. Hopefully it runs for a while. These cars don't use a lot of draw or anything like that, so I know this battery is pooched, so I'm sure it'll stay running for now. There, good enough. Let her warm up. Well, she's been running here for a little while now. I'm gonna wheel it in the shop in a minute. I'm just trying to defrost the glass, melt as much snow off as I can. I don't know, it might not happen very well because there's quite a bit of ice everywhere else here, so I might just have to thaw it out naturally in the shop. But I'll let it run here for a while and see if that battery will take charge. Maybe that battery has some life in it. I doubt it, but I'll try it anyway and see what happens. She's running pretty good. Mighty cold out here. That wind is something brutal. Whew.